Hello, YouTube. So it's been a bit and haven't made any videos for a while. I've been working on my yard, getting rid of all the weeds, and I had some family come visit from out of town. But I'm getting ready to start again on the Christine project. And what I got going on today here is I'm looking at this trunk gap and noticing there's a big problem there. And what I'm going to have to do is just cut that whole thing out and start over and make it right. So that's it for now, and I'm going to get to work. Okay, what happened here was I went ahead and split this piece, and as you can see, I'm going to have to weld in a big piece of metal there to fill that gap. I'm also going to have to cut off this molding gutter and raise that thing up or build a new one. But let me get this. I got this gap looking even, like it's supposed to look. All across there, and there was a flimsy piece of metal over there that was warped, so I cut that piece out and make a new one. But yeah, this is looking real good now. It needed that arch in the middle. All right, I got this patch panel laid in here, and the gap's looking much better now. I'm ready to take off this trunk lid, and I'm going to start grinding down all these welds and install that. I'm going to have to fabricate a new weather stripping rail and weld that in, and then this will be done. Okay, I got this these welds all grounded down. Took my time, took some breaks in between. Don't want to get the white finger or whatever they call it, nerve damage. But this is looking good, and I'm ready to start building that gutter, that weather stripping rail now. Okay, before I build that trunk weather stripping rail, I'm going to go ahead and order this gasket, the weather strip seal for a 58 Plymouth. Make sure that fits in there, and I'll see you on the next one.